Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to math class today. We are going to practice writing our numbers again today, but this time we're going to be filling in the missing numbers. I know that we've done these several times in my classroom before we went to online learning, and so let me just remind you how we do this. First thing you're going to do is you're going to click the microphone button and then grab your pencil. So this first box right here, let me highlight this so you know what I'm talking about. This first big rectangle is the only thing we're focusing on in this section. So they have given us the number 11. So I'm going to trace the number 11, and then the boxes come after the number 11. So they want you to write the number that comes right after 11. If I'm not sure, I can come find the number 11 here, and then the number after, you go to the right, which is the number 12. And then the number that comes after 12, we go to the right again, is 13. Okay? Let's do one more together. So now we're going to take a look at this box here. I'm going to get my pencil and I'm going to trace the number they gave me. They gave me the number 13. So that's the number in the middle. So I'm going to erase this up here. So they want to know what number comes before 13 and the number that comes after 13. So I'm going to come find 13 on my number line. The number that comes before is the number 12. And then the number that comes after is the number 14. I'm going to do that for all of these boxes and then click the green check mark and send it to your teacher.